Let me show you a few different things that you can do if your Logitech mouse has got unresponsive buttons. For example, on this particular mouse over here, I had a problem where as I was clicking, sometimes the click simply didn't register essentially, and sometimes it was sluggish essentially, so it was quite frustrating. So this usually happens if your mouse is older and simply needs a bit of maintenance. So there are two main methods how you can solve this without even taking the mouse apart. So for example, on this mouse, so you see I can actually lift up the like a pedal here, and I can get access to the switch over here. So you see that yellow thing, that is the top of the switch here. So once that gets pressed by this like hammer essentially on the pedal here, click registers. On this one again, you see, can lift up the pedal here, and I can get access to the switch here as well. So you see you have a white part for the switch here. So you see that white part on this mouse. Again, the hammer is over here, so it presses that white thing, and then the click registers. So first what you can do is you can simply take maybe like a dust blower or maybe compressed air, or again any way how to blow inside, and simply try to dislodge any like dirt or debris that might be stuck inside. So again, you would simply place it inside and blow on that switch, also inside the mouse as well. So again, you want to properly clean it, so blow on it properly from all sides, maybe click a bit and blow some more. Okay, if that doesn't work, what you can also take is simply take maybe the like WD-40 penetrating oil, so or again any oil, for example something even better than WD-40 here. So again, I would simply like deposit small amount of oil somewhere that I can take. Again, you do not want to spray directly, otherwise it's too much. You can even ruin your mouse. So again, do not do that. So we can simply lubricate the switch internally. So we can simply maybe take something to dab the oil tiny bit, so you see it gets deposited tiny bit on the edge of it. So then what we can do is simply take this mouse here, and you see I will simply drop like a drop of oil on the mouse switch. So again, this for example, this yellow thing is only the top part of the switch. You want actually the oil to soak further down basically, so the switch actually is further down. That is only the top part of it. So again, you simply drop a bit of oil on it, close it, and keep clicking for maybe like half a minute. Open the mouse up again, take some more oil, dab on it, so again properly, again close it, repeat, again open it up, take some more. So again, we want the oil to flow basically further down inside the switch and lubricate basically the parts of the switch. So again, repeat this several times, and maybe like keep clicking like maybe for half a minute between the times. So again, on this mouse pretty much the same. For example, you see for this one we probably need to wedge something inside for it to get to stay open. So again, so you see that tiny white part. So that's where you want to deposit the oil. Again, your mouse most probably will look like this, not like this, because these are probably the most common models here. So you see I'm simply taking a bit of oil, dropping on that switch. Again, simply working it inside. So click for half a minute. Again, repeat it several times. And at least for me, this fixed the issue on this mouse. Okay, good luck.